Thank you for everybody for coming into the first review for Bargains and Travels. We are a new YouTube channel. Just a quick description. I travel all over the country looking for bargains and places to go and new places to be. Well, today's thing we're bringing in, and I picked up on Amazon, and I will leave a description more below if you would like to read about it, is we are doing a hanging toiletry bag. It says Travel Seasons, but the company is called Vivefox. It's a really nice quality travel bag. I'll give you some pros and cons about it. The pro is it is a 3-layer travel bag. It has storage compartment here, storage in here, folds up, and it's nice and compact. Very, very durable. It can take a beating if you throw it inside your bag, the back of your car, truck, van, duffel bag, anything like that. It's gonna do whatever you need to do. So, let's get to the pros about it. The pros about it is it's a good size. It's a hanging one, so when you get into a motel at night, you can just hang it up inside the bathroom in the morning, just take it, zip it up, and call it a day. And what's nice, this little pouch is good for like little packages of aspirin, detergent, anything like that. Nice thing about the big pouch up here, you got choices. You got for your deodorant, your toothbrushes up there, or you got them down here. I really like this. The color is great. It comes in 3 colors, gray, black, and blue. The gray one's the cheaper of the 3. The black only comes in a 4-layer system, so you got another fold out on top of that, which I didn't like that one myself, but it's on Amazon. Link in the description so you guys can take a look at it. Price on this was not a bad price. When I picked it up about 10 days ago, it was marked at $9.70. Current price on it is $7.50 on Amazon. So you're looking at $2 less than when I got it for 10 days ago. The blue is $8.20 and the 4-layer black is $12.20. Depending on how big of one you want and where you want to go with it. Nice, it can hang 2 ways. You got a strap here and you got the hook here. So, cons about it. One of the first cons that I saw when I first opened the package and really started looking at was the stitching. I didn't think the quality was there with the stitching, to be honest. It just jumbled up way too much. It's only a single stitch, and it doesn't look that durable. Where the rest of this has a really nice close-knit pattern stitch, as you can see. Some loose strings, if that bothers you because you're OCD, then you're gonna find that as a major con. But I mean, the netting is good quality, durable, and then you got and everything zips up. All the inside zippers are black. Your outside zipper is silver, so you don't confuse the two. Folds up like so. Zips up, and you're done. I mean, it's a good quality bag to throw in your duffel and go on the road. I would definitely say you can fit a good amount of stuff in this and go from there. I mean, I'm definitely going to give this about 3.7 stars. The quality of the stitching was better on the inside, then I would definitely give it more on the 4, maybe even the 4.2. But that stitching worries me. And them leaving loose strings, I mean, you're paying good money for what you're getting. So, take a look at it, see what you guys think about it. If you'd like to pick it up, I'll leave a link in the description below. These are available right now on Amazon. They do have plenty of stock on them. So, if you're always looking for a bargain, you're looking for travels, places to go, people to see. Have a great day.